Hi, my name is Justin, and I live in Culver City, California. We hired High Tech to convert our detached garage into a ADU, or accessory dwelling unit, because we were looking for a space for our kids to play in, for guests to stay in. We loved working with the whole team, from David to the architects to the office staff. In the morning, they let us know what time to expect the crew, what they would be working on that day. The work quality was excellent. The guys that came every day, they were very professional and very friendly. We really appreciated the attention to detail, and us going back to them over and over again with ideas for how to make things look just the way we wanted, and they were more than happy to accommodate that. So when we would definitely recommend High Tech to our family and friends, and if we ever needed to use someone for another project like that, we would not hesitate to call in High Tech, given our experience with them.